So when you guys apply for SNAP finance, they are not going to do a hard inquiry on your credit reports. They're actually going to look through a third party credit bureau, and they're going to see if they can approve you that way. So it's not going to be a hard inquiry. It's most likely going to be a soft inquiry. It's probably just for verification. I think it's Clarity Services that they're actually looking through, but it's not going to be a hard inquiry on either of your credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. So think of this as like one of them buy now, pay later kind of things. Now, if you guys possibly don't know about the SNAP finance, let's go ahead and look at it, because this is a good option for those people that probably want to do like you want to buy things now and they have a $100 like same as cash kind of thing, and it's a lot of places that you can use this at. So let me go ahead and share my screen so you guys can see this company. And I believe they can pre-qualify you also, which is something that I really like. Yeah, so they're able to pre-qualify you. So here they are here. So yes, it's going to be, like a get your things now kind of thing. So if you don't have credit, they saying it's good. If you have poor credit, it's good. If you have good credit, it's good. No matter what your credit is, you'll be good. It's like a lease to own kind of thing. And when you guys go to their website, it seems like my computer is actually taking a longer time to load the website. Maybe you guys are going to have to look at it on your own, but you guys can be able to apply. I do suggest, because they are going to really be looking at your bank account, how much money you have coming in, because they want to make sure that you guys can be able to pay. I do suggest that you guys do have money come into your account. They are going to ask about like your employment and things like that, because they want to make sure that you guys can actually pay for the different things that you guys are purchasing. So definitely check them out. If you do get something, it is high interest, so make sure that you guys pay whatever you have, if you can, within 100 days. Because if you do that, if you sign up for that option, then they're not going to charge you all that crazy interest. So I really like this, like a same as cash kind of thing. But again, it's not going to be like a hard inquiry on your credit bureau. It's going to be like more of a soft pull. They want to see, basically that you're an actual person.